The objectives of the lesson are: first, recall the parts of a right triangle. Then, state the Pythagorean theorem formula. Then, solve real-life word problems to understand their roles in the theorem. Finally, determine whether a triangle is right-angled by checking if its sides satisfy the theorem. A right triangle is a triangle that has one right angle, 90 degrees. It always has three sides. The hypotenuse is the longest side, opposite the right angle. The legs are the two shorter sides that form the right angle. Now, it's the time for Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is one of the most important and fundamental concepts in mathematics, especially in geometry. It describes a relationship between the three sides of a right triangle. What is the Pythagorean theorem? The Pythagorean theorem tells us how the lengths of the three sides of a right triangle are related. It says, a power 2 plus b power 2 equals c power 2. Or c power 2 equals a power 2 plus b power 2. Where a and b are the lengths of the legs. C is the length of the hypotenuse. You can also say, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the two legs. Construction and architecture. Use to check if corners are perfectly square, 90 degrees, when building walls, floors, or roofs. Example. A builder wants to make sure a room corner is a right angle. They measures 3 meters on one wall, 4 meters on the adjacent wall. They check the diagonal between those points. If it measures 5 meters, the triangle is 3, 4, 5, and the corner is a right angle. Now it's time for the inverse of Pythagorean theorem. So, while the original Pythagorean theorem says, if a triangle is right-angled, then a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The converse or inverse says, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then the triangle is right-angled. The inverse is useful when 1. You don't know if a triangle is a right triangle. 2. You are given the three side lengths only. 3. You want to verify if a triangle has a right angle. Let's solve example 1. Show that triangle ABC is a right triangle. Given a triangle ABC with sides AB equals 8 centimeters, BC equals 15 centimeters, AC equals 17 centimeters. The longest side is AC, then AC is the hypotenuse. Using the Pythagorean theorem, AC squared equal AB squared plus BC squared. 17 power 2 equals 8 power 2 plus 15 power 2. 289 equals 64 plus 225. 289 equals 289. Then ABC is a right triangle. Let's solve example 2. Show that triangle ABC is not a right triangle. Given a triangle ABC with sides AB equals 10 centimeters, BC equals 7 centimeters, AC equals 6 centimeters. The longest side is AB. Then AB is the hypotenuse. Using the Pythagorean theorem, AB squared equals AC squared plus BC squared. 10 power 2 equals 6 power 2 plus 7 power 2. 100 equals 36 plus 49. 100 is not equal to 85. Then ABC is not a right triangle. That's the end. Thanks for watching and solving. Hope you enjoy the lesson. See you in the next video.